Hello, people. This is Teacher Calvin, and welcome to another episode of Science I Can Do. And with our great tips, I'm sure science you can do too. Today, you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of answering a series of multiple choice questions set by a renowned school. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson.
Prime had three balls, A, B, C of different materials, but same size. See, there has right? Yeah. We place the balls, which were at room temperature. Room temperature means all of them was 28, isn't it? Yeah, no. So I write here, all of them were 28 when they begin. Yeah, Yang Ting listening, very good, Okay, I go online study here, relax. So all of them were 28 degrees, 28 degrees, 28 degrees when they began, right? But the hot water is 80 degrees, 80 degrees, and 80 degrees, right? Right? Now, when he placed them into the beaker, 15 minutes later, it became the temperature of the water and the ball now became, everything became 65. That means he dropped from 80 to 65, right? The water lost heat, right? Yeah, lost a lot of heat, right? 80 to 65. They want be 78. That means never really lost a lot of heat, right? The hot water. Yes, no? Right? Right? That means B is a good conductor of heat or poor conductor of heat. Based on the graph, poor, because he doesn't want to accept heat. You know, like styrofoam, like wood. You put inside with your wood be hot.
Sorry, the A there is a good conductor.
Yes, A is a good conductor. A is like a metal, no? The metal become very hot, right? Then the hot water lose all the heat to the metal. Yanti understand? Sophia understand? Teresa understand from back? Yes, right? That means this guy, all the water lose all the heat to the metal. This one is like wood, doesn't want to accept any heat from the hot water. Yes, no? This one is like 80 drop to what? 72. Okay, this one is like so lousy. I doesn't want the hot water. Say, I got 80. I want to give you one. I don't want. I give lah. Okay, I take little bit. Like styrofoam. When you pour hot water onto the styrofoam, the McDonald's cup there, you don't burn your hand, right? That means the hot water doesn't lose heat to the styrofoam cup. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But when it's metal, the hot water drop in temperature, right? Why? Because all the metal gain the heat, right, from the water. That's why it drops. From here, in that case, which one is how well they conduct heat? Who's the first one? Something for poorest. Okay, poorest to best. Okay, come. Who's the poorest? B, yeah, didn't want to accept, right? Accept $2 only, like $80, accept $2, lousy. Yeah, right. I mean, talk in terms of money, the temperature 80 dropped 2. That means he didn't want to accept any heat. Don't give me. I don't want. Why? Because I'm a poor conductor heat lah. You see, silly fellow, you don't understand. Right? I only take a little bit lah. Okay, yes. Because I'm styrofoam wood Yes, no. You get me, right? So the lousiest is B. And the best conductor must be A, because he took a lot of heat from the hot water. Yes, no? So C is the middle guy. So this is the answer lah. BCA. Understand? BCA is number 3. Does you understand? So easy. That's why I sure don't want to sit up front. There's nobody here. Everybody doing online today because it's National Day. Next one, The diagram shows 4 basins of water at different temperatures. Okay? When Farhan put his hand into one of the basins, okay, you know what he did? He put his hand into one of the basins of the water and then place it under the tap water. Okay, you understand what he do? Okay, let me show you. He first lays his hands into the water here. Okay, again? His hands is, okay. Let's see. He placed his hands into this water. Yeah. I don't know if he burned to death or not. Okay. Then he put his hands under the tap water. Okay, tap water at room temperature. Pia, pia, pia. Okay. The tap water come out. Okay, again.
You already know how.
Okay, 28 degrees is the tap water. If you hot or cold?
Cold.
If you cool. Cold. That means his hand is hotter. His hand is hotter than the tap water or colder than the tap water? Hotter. Why? Because heat. Right? Hot, right? Because heat flow from hot to cold one. Yes or not? That's why when he feel his hand loose, why my hand so cold? Because his hand lose heat. When you lose heat, you feel his hand cold, right? Yeah, no. That means the basin of water must be very hot one, right? So that the hot water pass the heat to his hands. Now his hands become all hot. And then when he put under cold water, the hot water, I mean the heat from his hand lost to the cold water, then he feel cold. Do you understand, Yanti? Yes, okay, I saw Yanti. Very good.
It's number 2 because number 2.
Okay, which basin he put his hands into?
Number 2
Must be a hot one, right? See,
Yeah,
all
the
these
hot one
lousy ones, is below room temperature. You
it's
see?
not below room temperature except for the one
Right?
number 2.
This is hot, right? Then his hand become like 50 degrees. Then he can lose heat and feel cold. This one lousy, 5 degrees, so cold, colder than room temperature.
Then when he put his hand
He should feel hot, right? Because the 28 degrees heat energy, right? Right? Heat energy with 28 degrees will flow into his hand. Then he will feel warm. Yes or no? Because his hands is so cold. Okay? All right. Everybody understand? Let's understand now, right?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Bobby gets his energy from the what?
From the food.
The sun give you energy. Okay, sunshine will give you get energy already.
From the
When
food.
the sunshine, we shine together. Really? He get his energy from the sun. Only plants.
No, from the food.
Then he eat
We
the plant.
don't
Oh
He
my
eat the
God.
plant.
Yes, he eat the plant, so only plant get the energy. Yeah. And,
Then he eat the plant, then he get it.
oh, muscle man. For the plant, they love sunlight. Yeah. So we
Yeah, but she
don't
never open it.
get our energy directly from the sun. We get it from the plants and stuff like that. So where do we get our energy?
Food.
I think where do you get the energy from? The man.
Food. Food.
Man. Where do you get the energy from? It's the energy from
Uh,
the Big Mac that I ate today lah.
Yellow. Follow. Oh my God.
Porridge, is it, Yanti?
my
So-
mom wanted me to buy some.
Yeah, what do you all have for breakfast? Roti, your sunshine bread, right? Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. You know the sunshine?
I know, my mom gonna buy me a chicken burger
Sunshine bread, no? Ah, and think what?
like.
Okay, so he get his energy from the food that he eat. Okay, people. Get it? All right, next one.
No
Is it
more.
this one?
Wait, let's do some more. Let's do some more. Some more.
13. Okay, the diagram shows the main parts of a power station. Coal is burned to change water into steam. Where is it? Coal is burned to, there the coal is here. Then all the coal here, brown color.
What's all
Right?
this energy?
Right, it's burn. Right, they throw the coal here and they burn. Okay, again? Burn. Right, yeah. No?
Yeah.
So what happened to the water? The water is supposed to be like blue, right? Yeah.
I don't give me the.
Never mind lah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you just learn for whatever.
You're supposed to learn.
Feel what solid color. There's this water, right? But as the water pass here, it gets hot, right? And became what? It gets hot and become what? Because it burn, right? And become steam, people. Okay, explain to you. Become what? Steam like hot water vapor, no? Then they get very angry. Chong you know, right? Make us angry, right? Burn us, right? You know. Then that's why sometimes when your kettle boils or your soup boils, right? What happened to a cow? It go cling clang 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 clang, and the water spill out, right? You know. The water says, you don't like me when I'm angry. Don't make me angry, right? When they burn out, they are very hot, they get angry, and what happened to all the water? Clang, 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 spill out of the stove, right?
Got this very.
Okay, so now they chong follow the road, chong right? Chong, and hit this guy. This guy is a turbine, you know, like a propeller, a blade, like a fan. They don't care, just hit it. Then when this guy starts to turn, they don't care, hit it. They start to turn. Yeah. Okay? When you turn, this is called a generator. The generator inside have a magnet. Actually, what you do, actually to get electricity, all you do is you have a magnet, a giant piece of magnet. Okay. Yeah, and if you can keep on like tie it to the wheels, that's tied to the then the flying man, the hat like that, and you can turn and turn and turn, then the magnet also will turn, right? If you can turn the magnet inside a coil or wire, okay, wait, if you can turn a magnet inside a coil or wire, okay, this wire can produce electricity and give you, can light it up, can light up one. Get it or not? Hello? Get it? Produce electricity. Okay?
Are you sure that's
Yeah.
orange?
Okay? So if you can turn and turn and turn, gonna generate electricity. Okay, so it's good, turn around, electricity. Now you understand? So this guy will turn, and in the meantime, the energy generate electricity flows to your power, and then the power cable goes to your home and deliver electricity.
You can just draw a room.
Okay? Can see? Alright. So understand what it's doing? Alright, cool. So which one shows the energy changes in the power station? Come on, energy changes? It started from what energy? It started from what energy? It started from where? Where did it start? Come on, did it start from heat energy? The main part of power station, right? Coal is burned to change water into steam, right? Use to turn the turbine. Is it? Finally, is to turn the turbine. Okay? Turn the turbine. Turn. Kinetic energy is the energy that is moving energy. The turbine turns means it's the energy.
Oh.
So you see, yes, I started with this, which is coal, is very good. Then became heat energy, very good. Then it became electrical, yes, good. But then, what is moving? How can electricity go and move? Hello, move what? That's why it's not number one. You get me? Yes?
Okay.
Get it? I started with chemical energy, then straight away just boil, burn the coal, get electrical energy. Okay, no, you understand now?
So which answer is it?
Yeah, so that's why. Okay? This one I don't agree. Because you produce electricity, what kinetic energy, what is moving? You understand, right? Okay? Now, so
moving.
yeah, because the chemical is correct, but the rest doesn't follow. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so start with heat energy. Okay, see, the heat energy burn the coal. Then what happened? All the steam start to move, right? Right? Move. Means move, right? Kinetic energy. So both of this is correct. Heat, kinetic. Heat, kinetic. And then what chemical potential energy? Where go and stop? No, right? Then why? Kinetic energy, why? Because the kinetic energy, okay, first you heat it. Yeah, you heat it. Then the water vapor begin to move, right? Kinetic energy. Understand? Okay, it's heat. And then what happened? They go and bang against the turbine, right? I told you, right? Right? And then this blade will start to move, right? Keep on turning, right? Then the kinetic energy also. And see how? And because kinetic energy, finally they produce electricity, right? Right? Can see now? So what's the answer? Yanting, what's the answer? What's the answer, Garissa? Say louder.
Is it number 2?
Yes, then cause the steam to move, no, the air, water vapor to move, right? They move, the water vapor move, no, right? All the gas move, no, and then they bang against the turbine, make the turbine move, no, and then the turbine in the end generate the final electricity. And so actually the answer is number 3. Because the other sequence are all incorrect. Do you understand? Okay? Number 1 was good until the final one. Kinetic energy. What moves in the end? Do you understand? Kinetic energy is energy that moves. Do you know that? Which one is the following? Renewable source of energy. That means forever will be there. So renewable, that means today don't have, tomorrow they'll come around again. Yes or no? How about air, the wind? Today don't have, tomorrow they will blow again. Today don't have, tomorrow it rain, the water will run again. Yes or no? Yes or no? But these coal are formed by dead plants' body over years and years, millions of years. Hello. Yeah. So the coal are formed by like dead plant, dinosaur bodies years and years ago. Yeah, no, right? You keep on using it, not to be found anymore. Yeah, okay? It takes years. Can see? That's why less petrol, all these are don't simply use. That's why nowadays man knows that the petrol will be gone very soon. That's why if we don't do anything about it now, next time our car would not have petrol to run on. That's why you see nowadays the car are now changing to run on electricity. Yes, no. Don't want to use the burning oil now. In your time, in next time when you have become adult, there will be many cars don't run on petrol already, run on electricity. Yes, now. Yeah. And how to get electricity? I just share with you. I just bought a fish tank, okay, which I because I didn't want to put it in my house, I put it outside my corridor there. So I put my aquarium in the corridor, but no electric supply. The fish like want to die. No oxygen, right? So you know what I did? I bought a solar panel. Okay? I stick it out and the sun shines on it. Yeah? Hello, the sun shines on it. See? Am I right? The sun shines on it, this solar power. Charge, get electricity there. Then you operate my pump, my pump can pump, bloom, 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 bubbles. Got aquarium put outside, still got electricity. They say, 奇怪, how you cannot get electricity outside your HDB corridor, right? Yes, no. But I put one solar power panel. Okay, so okay, come. Come. Next one.
Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, do give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, be sure to watch Science I Can Do.